shit given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Nah. Alright, so we about to... Alright, I'm gonna record this. That's why I wanted to go over there, because there's more light over there for me to record. But I'll just wait until the fireworks. Oh snap, this is sparkling. Oh snap. Oh, let me zoom that in real quick. Hold up. Let me get up here. That's it. Oh wait, nah, that's still... Alright, that was good. I think I might need to zoom in. You see this? Hold on. That's it. Wow. Are you got this? Oh snap, there it is. That's... Oh, oh, this isn't that much. Oh, alright. This is cool. Alright, hold on, let me zoom this in. I'm gonna zoom this in real, right here. They are.
I thought they would.
But no, fireworks are illegal in New Jersey. It's about to appear. Where is it? Alright, there it is. I'm about to zoom in a little bit because I know y'all see. Oh, that one's crazy. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's look better zoomed out.
Come back.
Yeah, that one's horrible, man. Let me zoom in so it can look more interesting. That's it. Yeah. Alright, it's coming. Oh snap, y'all moving the whole entire thing. Oh! I missed that.
It almost hit me.
Hold up. Oh, it's still going. Let's go. Oh man, that was good for a while.
On the other side, it wasn't.
Man, Dad, we didn't even know.
Dad, I think that's gonna
It's gonna go hit you right in the chest. What the heck? You gotta let me know. Hold up, I gotta move this back a little bit. Wow. Bro, just all you're fat behind all the way.
Somebody walking their dog.
Still on fire?
Yeah, the fire's getting bigger.
No, it's not.
Box on fire.
It's just gonna burn down and it's gonna go out.
Alright, hold up. Where is it? My hand in it. Oh! Alright, this is better. This is real damage.
That's the big one?
That's cool.